Hey guys, today we are still in this is day 10 of the Fly Lady 28 day Fly Lady challenge. We are still in zone 3. Zone 3 is the one of the bathrooms, the main bathroom, and also any of the extra rooms. It could be your pantry, the office room, any of the extra like your garage and things like that. So for today I just did the cleaning up of the my fridge, because that was one of the Fly Lady tasks for yesterday and I couldn't get to it. So just checked if there are any leftovers and anything which was not eaten and stuff like that. Cleared out containers, washed, wiped down the fridge a bit, then also decluttered the hall, and cleaned out the fans, um, and changed the bed sheets. That was a part of the Fly Lady weekly home blessing hour which was pending, so I changed out the bed sheets, um, and wiped down all the hall furniture using a wet cloth. That was what was done today. And so we will I'll be just showing you the video of the footage of the refrigerator clean out. I forgot to shoot myself cleaning the fans and the furniture, so I'll just show you how it looks right now. In actually day 9, and it's zone uh, 3. So wiped down this table and the chairs, wiped down the fan, decluttered a bit here, wiped down these chairs, dusted them thoroughly. So that was what was done. So a basic decluttering and wiping down things. So also the changing the bed sheets, putting them to wash, changing the pillow covers in 2 of the rooms. So all that was done today, and totally exhausted, but worthwhile, because it's looking really nice and clean. So basically I am just going to check the freezer, and the fridge for anything which I wouldn't want to be there, or I've forgotten. Check for empty packets, empty containers, stuff which might be spoiling, stuff which needs to be refilled or purchased, taking a mental note of what is there, what needs to be restocked, and things like that. And a weekly check, what it does is it keeps you on track of things and you are aware of what is there. Tara, are we eating the strawberry jam? Also, while checking, it would be a good idea in just to do a quick wipe down of the containers. There might be sticky prints on it, there might be some droppings here and there, so check for things like that. And if things are spoiled or you're sure you're not going to use them, it's best to just discard them. So take your time, and for me it took me a total of around 3.5 minutes to go through the entire fridge. So I just basically went level by level, checking if there is any curries which need to be consumed immediately, things I might have forgotten, like there were empty vessels, or 2 or 3 fruit bowls with only a few fruits in it, so I removed those. Then there was one yogurt container, I threw that. Then there was another packet which I thought we won't be using at all, so I discarded that. So things like that, just making sure that all the stuff is taken care of, what's there, you know what you will be using and what you won't be using, and you are well aware of what you need to repurchase. That is what a quick check will help do. So I get a lot of requests for tips on how to clean fridge. So those are my tips. Keep checking regularly, at least once a week. More than that is better, or each time you get something out, make a mental note of what is there and what's not there. Pull things out, check for things, keep throwing stuff. Dedicate maybe a single day for leftover day, so that any leftovers are consumed on that day. So that's what we do. We don't have like a dedicated leftover day, but we do keep checking, and if there's some curry extra, then maybe think of making rotis or chapatis that day, or some curry is there which we think will go well with rice, then make sure that rice is made and that curry is consumed immediately, because it might spoil, things like that. So just going through all the stuff, going through all the vessels, and making sure that there are no fingerprints. Usually when the kids take things out of the fridge, they tend to drop stuff in the fridge. There is things left around, lying around empty. Usually I'll find empty wrappers, either cheese wrappers, or sometimes biscuit wrappers, chocolate wrappers, things like that. Get those things out. The egg containers, empty ones, take them out. And here I found quite a few food items which I'm sure we won't be eating at all, so I have discarded that, made a pile of things I would like to keep, and then I replace that into the refrigerator. Just going through each and every box and making sure I am keeping only things which I am sure I will consume. After this, I did not fill myself, but I washed all those dishes and then kept them back in the cupboard so that we can use them. And that was what was done. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you have got some tips on how to clean a fridge quickly. This is not a thorough deep clean. There are I will link out to a couple of videos showing how I deep clean. You will be interested to know that the ways I deep clean have changed dramatically from earlier days. My kitchen clean has changed. People who have watched the older videos feel that the kitchen has the cleaning methods have improved, things have changed. So if you have time, do watch the older videos and see the dramatic differences. Especially Fly Lady system has reduced the time spent in cleaning. I mean, it has totally freed up my whole time. Do check her website out. It's at flylady.net. Thank you, and see you tomorrow in another video.